Good evening, friends. Welcome to the weekly wrap. Friends, let us first talk about what happened in the last week. Friend, last week we had thought of a range between 14,200 and 14,800. The reason for taking that range was the market was in a tight range of 14,000 to 14,500 in most of this month, but last week the market actually expanded the range on the upper side, and as we stand now the market is in a range of 14,500 to 15,500, friends. Now today on expiry, what did the market do? Market opened at around 1550, 15050, and could not scale 15,100, which it was doing for the last 2 days. And yesterday also market had come down to the levels of 15,030, and today the market opened around 15,050, almost flattish, and from there the market kept moving sideways between 14,510 to 14,990. Almost the market was in the same range till around 2, and after that in the last 1 hour the market fell with momentum and made a low of 14,884 and then closed at around 14,906. Now friend, as you remember, in the past few weeks back I had told you that 14,950 and above we should be bullish now, which means we should be in long positions or call bias can take a position above 14,950, but below 14,950 today we are even below 20 days simple moving average. So in that case you have to be cautious about the downside, friends. Now the critical point which we need to observe tomorrow to take a position for the next week is that on a closing basis, if the market closes below 14,906 and if it keeps trending below 14,884, which was today's low, then in that case, friends, my feeling is the market should go towards 14,500. First support which it will have is around 14,700, and then the next support would probably be very strong, which will be at 14,500, from where the market can bounce back and make a upside also. This week, friends, since it is a monthly closing week, so the chances of volatility being high is very much, and the market may make big moves both on the downside as well as on the upside. But for you, the critical point to note is on Friday, which is tomorrow, if the market closes below 14,906 and if it breaks 14,884 in on intraday basis, then the chances are that the market will first visit 14,500. Small resistance could be there around 14,700, and if that breaks with momentum, then we can take support at 14,500, from where the chances of the market making a big move is always there. And in case of Nifty closing above 14,950 to 970, if it closes above this range nearer to 15,000, in that case, friends, we will make a up move again, and probably from that up move we can also go for a down move later nearer to the expiry. But to me it seems the chances of Nifty going towards 14,500 first is more probable, and from there it can bounce back and then maybe cross 15,000 also by expiry, or maybe it can expire around 15,000. So that is the scenario for the coming week. And friends, as I was telling you earlier, that for the month of May this being my birthday month, I had given free service to a lot of friends who joined me in my WhatsApp group Nifty Se Aage, and I have been imparting them most of the critical knowledge of indicators and how to use them together to see the price action. I have been discussing strategies with them, I have been making strategies for them, and they have been operating the strategies and making good modest profit for the last almost 4 weeks, friends. So now is the time that by 27th of May I would be closing the free group and I would be moving to a premium paid group. My premium paid groups will be categorized as follows. First group will be for positional traders who have reasonable knowledge of options. I would be formulating a few strategies for them which I already have in mind, which would have probability of less than 5% loss and a consistent income every week, week after week. I would also be giving them monthly strategies on which if they work they can make a profit. Chances of loss are minimal. And also I'll be giving them the strategy in stock options which they can apply and make sure short profit provided they enter at the time when I tell them and exit also with discipline. So friends, that's for the positional group, and the membership fee for the positional group is 1999 for the month of June. Friends, now second group which I'll operate is for only intraday traders with reasonable knowledge of options. I would be formulating intraday strategies. I have 2-3 strategies in mind which I would be sharing with all the friends who join the group, and the membership fee for intraday group will also be 1999 for the month of June. And in the third group would be for friends who are completely new to options and want to learn everything about options, as well as simultaneously I would be giving them a weekly strategy on which they will make a position and also keep earning some profit every week. Friends, as you know, earning is hidden in the word learning. So the idea is that the fee which you pay, I should be able to return your fee within 1 or maximum 2 weeks. But you will be keeping on learning for complete 4 weeks, and if need be, I will extend by 1 more week if there is something which is required to be told. So for the newcomers in options also, the membership fee is 1999, and the fourth group which I will be making will be for the pure investors, and pure investors group I will be giving updates periodically on how to enhance your portfolio for the future and the right time when you need to accumulate Nifty Bs, Gold Bs, Yes Bank, State Bank, and ITC, as and also N100, as I have been telling as a part of my investment strategy. So I would be giving them periodic updates, and the group I will continue for 1 quarter. Only group which I will continue for the quarter is the pure investor group, and the charges membership fee of that group is friends 999 rupees. So friends, if you want to know and execute some exciting strategies in positional intraday trades, then I have a few strategies in mind which I can give knowledge to you about, and every week you can make a position based on those strategies, and I am sure within a week I would be able to return your fee with profits, friends. and still you will remain with 3 weeks of full-fledged learning, and all your queries I would like to address in the groups. And friends, these will be very small groups. I would only be taking 25 members for each group, and I would be having a interactive group where everyone can talk about their queries and get them answered, while others can also benefit from their queries. So friend, this is about the 4 groups which I am going to form. The window for membership opens today, which is 20th of May, and I would be closing the window strictly on 27th of May. Beyond 27th of May, I would not be able to accommodate any member on 28th for the June batch. So for the June batch, the last date to get into the group is 27th of May. The window for membership opens today. You can WhatsApp me on my number 90739 and I can give you details, terms, conditions of how to join the group. Friends, the number I am repeating, 90739 You can message me and know the terms condition to enter the group. Friends, the membership for the June batch for all the 4 groups will be on first come basis, and I would not be able to accommodate any member beyond 27th of May. If you are still interested, you can be waitlisted for the July batch, but not for the June batch. June batch I am going to close the membership enrollment by 27th of May. So from today till 27th of May, you can contact me, and on a first come basis, based on payment, I would be adding you to the group, friends. So coming back to the strategies for the week, the simple and sober strategy is to sell 15,500 call and 14,500 put, and this strangle can give you 40 to 50 points based on the time at which you make a position tomorrow. That, friends, is will not need for you to know any levels of tomorrow also. You can safely make a strangle of 15,000 call and 15,500 call and 14,500 put, which you can sell for the coming week on the safe side, and it can give you 40 to 50 points, which will translate to 3,000 to 3,750 rupees, friends, on an investment of roughly 1.75 lakhs. So that is the strategy which you can enter anytime tomorrow by around 10:15, 10:30. And for getting all the exciting strategies on my group, you can contact me and join my paid group for the June batch. Window opens today, 20th May, and closes by 27th May. And friends, the overall outlook of the market is that if the market closes below 14,906 tomorrow and breaks 14,884, the low of today, then the chances are that the market will test 14,500 or 14,700 before moving up. And this is my view that it might first move downwards and then again bounce back towards the upside to cross 15,000 within this expiry, friends. And so, but on the upside, if it crosses 14,950 on a closing basis, then you have all the more reason to be bullish on the market. Then market may first go towards making a high, and then maybe it will retrace from that level. So that is the outlook for the coming week. Friends, COVID situation is still not completely under control. I hope you all are safe and you are taking good care of yourself as well as your families. And I pray to God everybody should be fine during this period, and the whole this coronavirus wave and everything should hopefully finish very soon, and we should get along with our life. Friends, I hope I have given you most of the ideas in the weekly wrap, as well as the option to join my paid membership. Friends, all I can tell you is, if you earn while you learn, there is nothing better than that. In the 4 weeks of June, which is my June batch, I would be trying very hard to give complete knowledge to all my friends who are joining my paid group, respective paid group. I will give accordingly knowledge to members. So friends, if you are interested, you can contact me on 90739 Otherwise, I hope I have given you the weekly wrap. I would also be coming up with more videos on different strategies. So friends, if you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and encourage me to make more and more good videos on more exciting strategies. Thank you friends, and I wish you have a profitable week ahead and you remain safe. Thank you very much friends.